Hi, my name is Maisa. I grew up in Brazil. I've been here in Australia for almost a year and 1 month now. So I'm an agronomic engineer. I'm doing my master's here in agriculture science. I'm studying right now the fruit sizing and all the growth models and the sizing aspects regarding mangoes. So I grew up in a big city, and when I was 8, I went to a smaller city, and I have this contact with some agronomic aspects. For example, growers that used to produce sugarcane and soybean. So that's why I also decided to study my degree in agronomic engineer. When I graduated from my degree, I left and I got this job in a research institution, and I was paid around 50k to 70k per year, equivalent in Australian dollars. And my work was basically to study the costs with sugarcane growers, do a benchmarking between all the growers across all different regions in Brazil. And right now I'm working with mangoes, and part of my job is to visit growers in the region. We have a few growers here that we have a good relationship, so most of my job is spending there in the farm, collecting my data. So for example, I use the mangoes fruits to make the measurements, and I'm studying different cultivars to collect the aspect of fruit growth and fruit rate, so I can help the growers with the production and also to understand what's the behavior of fruit sizing. The better part of my job is definitely to spend some time in touch with nature. That's why when I talk about that, my eyes shine, because I really like to be there. And I was so happy to talk with the growers, and I can help them. But most of the part, they help me to understand the daily of how to produce, what's the challenge, and they really teach me a lot. The most challenging part of my job, and also every agronomist job, the adversity. So every season is different. So we need to understand the behavior, and we need to make things work every season. So one of our jobs is to understand those behaviors and why season is changing across the years. And we need to study that and give the growers options to keep the yield growing and the food getting to the market.